At home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahim from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to create a tooltip. Now, what is a tooltip? A tooltip is where you hover over a visualization in Power BI and a black box comes up with information on there. I'm going to show you how to create a customizable one and for it to be intuitive to that specific visualization. Now, the benefits of having a tooltip is that you're able to save space on your reports and dashboards. And because it's quite intuitive, it will impress the senior managers, the stakeholders, or directors, whoever you're reporting to. Are you excited? I know I am. Come take a look. Let's go. So we're going to create a tooltip in this video, and I've got to say it's one of my favourite features of Power BI. You can show so much information on one visualization just by hovering over it. And it's quite intuitive as well, which you'll see. And this is just a short video just to show you how to do it. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to have a report. So bring up a report, anyone that you've got already made, just so you can use it as a bit of a test. So I've got this financial report here, and what I want to do is when I hover over one of the visualizations, I want a tooltip to come up. So there's a default one that comes up, which is this part here, which I've got over on this visualization here by country. So it comes up with the country and then the total sales. Great. So this tooltip that comes up, I want that to change. I want that to become a visualization. So what I'm going to do is we're going to create a tooltip. So one of the visualizations is going to appear in this black box that's just come up. Okay. And the way you do that is start by creating a new page at the bottom. Great. So once we've got a new page, let's just call it tooltip. So we'll create tooltip. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is go into the visualization pane, down to the format brush, and then we're going to go to the page size. Now we're going to go to the type, and it says 16 by 9, but what I want to do is I want to say the type by tooltip. So we're going to select tooltip. Then once that's done, we then need to go to the page size, page information, and then we need to make sure the tooltip is on. All right. Finally, we just need to go up to the page, go to the view ribbon at the top, and then go to page view, and then go to actual size. All right. Finally, go to the bottom, and on the tooltip tab, what you should do is right click and select hide page. Okay, so that basically means is that once we've published the report, you're unable to see this page that we created, and we don't because we're going to put it in the tooltip anyway, so they'll be able to see. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to a visualization. So I want to show it in total sales by month. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to make sure that a tooltip comes up in here when I hover over it. And which one I want to show in there, you can decide which one you want, but I'm just going to go for the total sales by product. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on this and I'm going to copy it. Okay, you can either Control C, you can go to Control C. Yeah, I think it's just basically just Control C it, and then go over onto the tooltip page and then paste it. So that's come up in there. So what I'm going to do now is just resize that so it fits in. Okay. Now we can put other information in here as well. So if you wanted to put another visualization, you can do, but for the meantime, just for purpose of this video, I'm just going to leave it as that. Okay, great. So now that my tooltip is done, what I now need to do is just assign it. So I'm going to go back into the financial report, and I'm going to say, right, okay, I want to do it on this visual here. So when we hover over it, I want that to appear. So you select on the visualization, go on to the format, and then you go down to tooltip. Select the tooltip, and it's already on as a default one comes up. So what type? You select on the type, and you go to the report page. So we've made a report page, so we wanted that. Great. So then it tells me on the next one which page. So usually it'll come up as auto, but this time we want to put it on tooltip. So the name of the page that we put it on. So we select the tooltip. Now what we can do is we can start to format the rest of it if we wanted to. By this moment in time, I'm happy with formatting that's already on it. Okay. So now what I need to do now is just check to see if it works. So I'm just going to hover over it, and it's worked. So it's just showing the total sales by product in that month, and I'm going to see if it does work. Just hover over another part of it. Great, so it is working. So as you can see, the products are changing in terms of the value. As you can see, Paseo, Velo, VTT, and this is what I was talking about being intuitive. It doesn't come up with just that chart, that visualization. It reacts to the information that you're hovering over. And so this information that we have in there is May time, wherever the year is, and it does it by the product in the tooltip. So that's what I love about tooltips. You can put more information onto one report without having too many visualizations on the pages as well. It's all hidden. So yeah, it's a great tool to use. You can do it for putting in cards, other visualizations that you want, and you can just grow this. You can just do so many of them, and you can do it on every single visualization as well if you wanted to. You could even, over the cards that are at the top. So it's totally up to yourself how you want it, but it's good to learn how to use it, so you can get the most out of your report. Hope this has helped you guys. If there's anything else that you want to see or you want me to look into, please use the comment section below or contact me in the about section on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.